Okay. So question of CAT 2024 slot 2. Three circles of equal radii. So let's say there's a first circle, there's a second one, there's a third one. They touch each other externally. Two other circles, X and Y, are drawn such that both touch. So he's talking about these red circles. This is one of the circles, and there's a bigger one. Each of the three previous circles, and the radius of X is more than that of Y. That means this is circle X. This one is circle Y. Fine. If the radius of X is more than that of Y, then the ratio of radius of X and Y. That means he's talking about the radius of this bigger circle by radius of this smaller circle. Okay. Now, if you look at these three circles, they are of equal radii. Let's say R, R, R. So this becomes 2R. Similarly, this BC will also become 2R and AC will also become 2R. That means this ABC must be an equilateral triangle. Fine. Okay. Now let's talk about this. So this AB must be equal to BC, must be equal to AC. The side of these equilateral triangle will be 2R. This is 2R. Now let's talk about this distance OB. O is the center. Now can we say this is centroid of this equilateral triangle? This is OB. And we know that centroid divides the altitude in the ratio of what? 2 to 1. So how do we calculate the value of this OB? Let's try to find the value of BD first. BD is an altitude. Fine. So what is BD? BD must be equal to root 3 by 2 into side of an equilateral triangle, which is 2R. So actually, you get R root 3 here. Now, BD is equal to R root 3 and O is the centroid. So can we say this OB must be equal to 2/3 of R root 3? What is 2/3 of R root 3? It's 2R by root 3. This must be equal to 2R root 3. Now let's assume that the radius of the bigger circle is this bigger one is P and radius of the smaller circle is Q. So I'm looking for P by Q here. I'm looking for P by Q. Fine. Now what is this OB? If you talk about this OB, it's nothing but the radius of the smaller circle which I have taken equal to Q. So I'll say Q plus this is R, radius of these three identical circles. So this Q plus R must be equal to OB, and I've already calculated the value of OB as 2R by root 3. So this Q plus R becomes how much? 2R by root 3. Fine. Now, what's the radius of the bigger circle? This one. Can we say it's OE? And what is OE? It's OB plus P. It's OB plus P. This must be equal to what? P. So let's say P is equal to this R, B is R, this one is also R, and this is what? Radius of what? The smaller circle. So can we say this P should be equal to 2R plus Y? Because this is Y, this is R, this is R. So this OE, which is equal to radius of the bigger circle, which I have taken equal to P, must be equal to 2R plus Y. So we know that P is equal to 2R plus Y. Fine. What is the value of Y here? What is the value of Y here? Y means this is Q. This is Q. I've taken radius of the smaller circle as Q. Now, what is the value of Q? Can we put the value of Q from this equation? Let's say P is equal to 2R plus Q. What is Q? This is 2R by root 3 minus R. 2R by root 3 minus R. So what do we get from it? We get P is equal to 2R minus R, which is R plus 2R by root 3. This is the value of P. This is the value of P. Fine. Now, what is the value of P? It's R plus 2R by root 3. So we know the value of P. Let's try to find the value of Q from here. What is Q? Look at this one. You can see that Q is equal to 2R by root 3 minus R. 2R by root 3 minus r. So we know the value of q, we know the value of p. Now we're looking for what p by q. What is p? It's r plus 2r by root 3 divided by what is q? It's 2r by root 3 minus r. Yes, sir. What I can do, I can cancel out, I can take r common from the numerator and even from the denominator, which will be cancelled out finally. So we'll be left with 1 plus 2 by root 3 divided by 2 by root 3 minus 1. I need to simplify this one. So after simplifying this, root 3 will be cancelled out. We get 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. And when you rationalize this, what do we get? We'll multiply it by 2 plus root 3. So the numerator becomes 2 plus root 3 whole square. And the denominator will become what? 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3.